Hey, stargazers and space cadets! Ever wonder what it's like to stand on the deck of an aircraft carrier, to pilot a supersonic jet, or even touch a real space shuttle? Well, you don't need a telescope for this journey, just a trip to the Intrepid Sea Air and Space Museum, right here in New York City. We're about to embark on an adventure through history, technology, and human ingenuity, exploring the machines that have taken us to the skies and beyond. So buckle up, get ready for takeoff, because the Intrepid Museum is more than just a museum, it's a time machine, and we're about to blast off into the past, present, and future of exploration. Now, you can't talk space exploration without talking about the Space Shuttle program. This program was a monumental leap for humanity, a bridge between the Earth and the cosmos, and a symbol of our relentless quest to explore the unknown. It was a bold statement that we were ready to take our place among the stars, to push the boundaries of what was possible, and to dream bigger than ever before. It was humanity's chariot to the stars for 30 years, a marvel of engineering that carried astronauts into orbit and brought them safely back home. The Space Shuttle program was not just about reaching space, it was about making space accessible and reusable. It was about creating a sustainable path to the stars, one that future generations could build upon. And right here at the Intrepid, docked like it just came back from orbit, is the prototype that made it all possible, Enterprise. This remarkable vehicle stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the engineers and scientists who dared to dream big. It represents the first step in a journey that would take us to new heights and new horizons. This spacecraft never actually went into space. It was a test vehicle, but its job was arguably even more important. Enterprise was the pioneer, the trailblazer that paved the way for all the shuttles that followed. It was the proving ground for the technologies and techniques that would make human spaceflight a routine part of our lives. Think about it, before we sent humans into the unknown, we needed to know if this whole spaceplane idea even worked. The concept of a reusable spacecraft was revolutionary, and Enterprise was at the forefront of proving its viability. It was a bold experiment, one that required meticulous planning, rigorous testing, and a willingness to take risks. Enterprise was our guinea pig, our test pilot. It underwent rigorous testing, from gliding through the atmosphere to landing safely back on Earth. These tests were crucial in ensuring the safety and reliability of future missions. Every flight, every test, brought us one step closer to making space travel a reality for all. It glided through the atmosphere, proving that a reusable spacecraft wasn't just science fiction, it was achievable engineering. The data collected from these tests was invaluable, shaping the design and functionality of the operational shuttles. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of perseverance. Walking through the Space Shuttle Pavilion, you'll get up close and personal with Enterprise. You'll see the intricate details and craftsmanship that went into building this pioneering vehicle. It's a chance to connect with a piece of history, to see firsthand the fruits of years of hard work and dedication. You'll see the heat shield that protected it during re-entry, a critical component that ensured the shuttle could withstand the intense heat and pressure of returning to Earth's atmosphere. This technology was vital for the success of the program, and it represents one of the many engineering marvels that made the shuttle possible. The flight deck where astronauts trained for missions, a place where countless hours were spent preparing for the challenges of space travel. This was the command center, the heart of the shuttle where every mission was controlled. It was here that dreams of space exploration were turned into reality. And you'll learn about the science conducted on board these incredible machines. From medical research to material science, the shuttle was a floating laboratory that expanded our understanding of the universe. It was a platform for discovery, a place where the boundaries of human knowledge were constantly being pushed. The shuttle program was more than just launching satellites. It was about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, conducting experiments in microgravity, and fostering international collaboration. It was about building a future where space was within our reach, and where the possibilities were limited only by our imagination. It was about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, conducting experiments in microgravity, and exploring new frontiers in science and technology. The research conducted on the shuttles has had far-reaching impacts, from improving medical treatments to advancing materials science. It was a catalyst for innovation, driving progress in ways we could never have imagined. And building the International Space Station, a monumental achievement that stands as a beacon of what humanity can accomplish when we work together. The ISS is a hub of scientific research and international cooperation, made possible by the Shuttle program. It is a symbol of what we can achieve when we set our sights on the stars and work together towards a common goal. A testament to international cooperation in the name of science. The Space Shuttle program was a cornerstone of modern space exploration, and its legacy continues to inspire future generations of explorers and innovators. It reminds us that with determination, ingenuity, and a willingness to dream, there are no limits to what we can achieve. From the vacuum of space, we now plunge into the depths of history, stepping aboard the USS Intrepid, a World War II-era aircraft carrier that's seen more action than most Hollywood blockbusters. This ship is a floating city, a testament to the sheer scale of naval warfare. As you walk the hangar deck, imagine the roar of aircraft engines, the scramble of pilots preparing for takeoff, the tension in the air as these brave men launched into battle. Look up, and you'll see the massive guns that defended the Intrepid from enemy attacks. Below deck, you'll find the living quarters, the mess hall, the sick bay, a glimpse into the daily lives of the thousands of sailors who called this ship home. But the Intrepid isn't just about World War II. It served in the Cold War, in Vietnam, and even as a recovery ship for NASA spacecraft. This ship is a living timeline of 20th century history, and walking its decks is like stepping back in time. Chapter 3, Growler, Silent Hunter of the Deep. Ever wonder what it's like to live and work underwater, surrounded by tons of steel, on a ship designed to disappear? Well, prepare to enter the subaquatic world of the USS Growler, a Cold War-era submarine that patrolled the oceans, a silent hunter in the depths. This isn't your average submarine tour, folks. You'll descend into the belly of the Growler, navigating the narrow passageways, feeling the claustrophobia that submariners endured for months on end. You'll see the torpedo room, where deadly weapons awaited their targets. You'll peer through the periscope, imagining yourself scanning the horizon for enemy vessels. And you'll stand in the control room, surrounded by dials, gauges, and levers, understanding the immense responsibility that rested on the shoulders of the Growler's crew. The submarine service is a world of secrecy, of tension, of life and death decisions made in an instant. The Growler brings that world to life, offering a chilling glimpse into the undersea battles of the Cold War. Chapter 4, Concorde's Supersonic Grace. From the depths of the ocean, we now ascend to the edge of the atmosphere, to an era when traveling faster than the speed of sound wasn't science fiction, it was a reality. The Concorde, a name synonymous with speed and elegance, revolutionized air travel. Feast your eyes on the Concorde, a marvel of engineering, a sleek, needle-nosed aircraft that captured the imagination of millions. A symbol of speed and luxury, the Concorde was more than just a mode of transportation, it was an experience, a journey into the future. This sleek, delta-winged beauty could cross the Atlantic in a mere 3 hours, a feat that seemed almost magical. Twice the speed of sound, the Concorde flew at Mach 2, making it the fastest commercial aircraft ever built. Imagine sipping champagne at 60,000 feet, surrounded by the luxury of the Concorde's cabin, a privilege reserved for the elite. Watching the curvature of the Earth slip by below, passengers were treated to views that were once the domain of astronauts. The Concorde wasn't just an airplane, it was a statement, a bold declaration of human ambition and technological prowess. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a shining example of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. A symbol of international cooperation, the Concorde was a joint venture between Britain and France, showcasing the power of collaboration. It embodied the dream of faster, more efficient travel, a vision of a world where distances were no longer barriers. Stepping on board the Concorde is like entering a time capsule of 1970s jet-set glamour, a world of plush seats and wood-paneled walls. You'll see the plush seats, the wood-paneled walls, and the meticulous attention to detail that defined the era. The cockpit, with its array of dials and instruments, was a marvel of aviation technology, a testament to the skill of its pilots. You'll learn about the technical challenges of supersonic flight, the innovations that made it possible, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. The sonic boom that heralded its arrival was both a marvel and a challenge, a sound that announced the Concorde's presence to the world. And yet, despite its many triumphs, the economics of operating such a magnificent bird ultimately grounded it, a sobering reminder of the complexities of aviation. The Concorde may no longer grace the skies, but but its legacy lives on in museums and in the hearts of those who dreamed of supersonic travel. Its legacy lives on, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Concorde remains a symbol of human ambition, a testament to our desire to reach beyond the ordinary and achieve the extraordinary. The final flight of the Concorde was an emotional farewell, a poignant moment that marked the end of an era. Yet, it also served as a powerful reminder of the heights we can reach when we dare to dream. Chapter 5, Flight Simulators, your turn in the pilot's seat. Alright, space explorers and aviation enthusiasts, time to put your skills to the test. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a curious novice, the Intrepid Museum offers an exhilarating experience that will leave you breathless. The Intrepid Museum isn't just about looking at cool machines, it's about experiencing them. Imagine walking through the halls surrounded by history, and then stepping into a world where you can actually feel what it's like to be a pilot. And what better way to do that than by strapping yourself into one of their incredible flight simulators? These aren't just any simulators. They are state-of-the-art machines designed to give you the most realistic experience possible. Ever dreamed of piloting a fighter jet, soaring through the skies, pulling off daring maneuvers? Well, here's your chance. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you take control and navigate through challenging scenarios. These simulators are so realistic you'll swear you can feel the G-forces pushing you back in your seat. The attention to detail is astounding, making you feel like you're truly in the cockpit of a high-speed aircraft. You'll learn about aerodynamics, about lift and drag, about the delicate dance between pilot and machine. It's an educational experience wrapped in the thrill of flight, perfect for anyone looking to understand the science behind aviation. And if fighter jets aren't your thing, don't worry. The Intrepid Museum has a variety of simulators to suit all interests and skill levels. They've got simulators for all kinds of aircraft, from helicopters to commercial airliners. Whether you want to experience the precision of helicopter flight or the complexity of navigating a commercial jet, there's something here for you. But for the truly adventurous, there's the G-force encounter. This isn't just a ride, it's a journey into the physical challenges faced by astronauts. This centrifuge will spin you around, simulating the gravitational forces experienced by astronauts during launch and re-entry. Feel the intense pressure as you are pushed to your limits, just like the real space explorers. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's an experience you won't soon forget. The G-force encounter is a testament to human endurance and the marvels of modern technology. So, are you ready to take the controls? Whether you're aiming to be a fighter pilot, a commercial airline captain, or just want to feel the thrill of flight, the Intrepid Museum has something for you. The Intrepid Museum is waiting to make your aviation dreams a reality. Step into the pilot's seat and let your adventure take flight. Chapter 7. Discover the wonders of Central Park. Gap 3. S. All right, Intrepid explorers, after immersing yourself in the marvels of the Intrepid Museum, it's time to take a stroll through one of New York City's most iconic landmarks, Central Park. This sprawling urban oasis is not just a park, it's a world of its own, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, recreational activities, and cultural attractions. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find a moment of peace and tranquility. Imagine stepping into a lush green paradise right in the heart of the bustling city. Central Park covers 843 acres, making it a sanctuary for both locals and tourists alike. With its vast expanse, there's always a new corner to discover, a new path to wander. Whether you're looking to unwind, explore, or get active, Central Park has something for everyone. From serene picnics on the grass to invigorating jogs along its many trails, the park caters to all kinds of visitors. Start your journey at the Bethesda Terrace and Fountain, one of the most photographed spots in the park. This iconic location is a testament to the park's architectural beauty and historical significance. The intricate carvings and the serene view of the lake make it a perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty around you. It's a spot where you can sit for hours, simply enjoying the ambiance. Don't forget to take a leisurely boat ride on the lake, where you can paddle your way through calm waters and enjoy the scenic views. It's a delightful experience that offers a different perspective of the park. For those who love a bit of history and culture, the Central Park Conservatory Garden is a must-visit. This hidden gem within the park is a haven for garden enthusiasts and history buffs alike. This 6-acre garden is a horticultural masterpiece, divided into 3 distinct styles, Italian, French, and English. Each section offers a unique experience, showcasing the diversity of garden design. Stroll through the beautifully manicured pathways and let the vibrant flowers and tranquil fountains transport you to another world. It's a sensory delight that captivates visitors of all ages. Adventure seekers, you're not left out. Central Park offers miles of trails for jogging, cycling, and even horseback riding. The park's diverse terrain provides the perfect backdrop for outdoor activities. If you're visiting in the winter, Woolman Rink transforms into a magical ice skating wonderland. The rink's festive atmosphere and stunning views make it a must-visit during the colder months. Glide across the ice with the city skyline as your backdrop. It's an experience you won't forget. The contrast between the natural beauty of the park and the urban skyline is truly breathtaking. And let's not overlook the Central Park Zoo, a favorite among families. This compact yet diverse zoo offers a glimpse into the animal kingdom right in the heart of the city. From the playful sea lions to the exotic snow leopards, the zoo is home to a diverse range of animals that will fascinate visitors of all ages. It's an educational and entertaining experience for everyone. Don't miss the Delacorte clock, where whimsical bronze animal sculptures mark the hours with music and movement. It's a charming feature that adds a touch of magic to the park, but perhaps the most enchanting part of Central Park is simply finding a quiet spot to sit and watch the world go by. It's in these moments of stillness that the true essence of the park reveals itself. Spread out a blanket on the great lawn, enjoy a picnic, and let the sounds of nature intermingle with the distant hum of the city. It's a perfect way to spend a lazy afternoon. So, whether you're an artist seeking inspiration, a family looking for fun, or a traveler wanting to experience the essence of New York City, Central Park is a must-visit destination. It's a place where creativity, joy, and exploration come together. It's a place where memories are made, where every corner has a story, and where the beauty of nature meets the energy of the city. Each season brings its own charm, making every visit unique. Get ready to explore, unwind, and be captivated by the wonders of Central Park. There's always something new to discover, no matter how many times you visit. Your adventure in New York City wouldn't be complete without it. Central Park is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Outrow until next time, Intrepid Explorers. So there you have it, folks. From the edge of space to the depths of the ocean, from the supersonic skies to the heart of history, the Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum has it all. Whether you're a history buff, an aviation enthusiast, a space nut like me, or just someone who appreciates incredible feats of engineering, the Intrepid is a must-see. It's a place where you can touch history, where you can learn about the science and technology that have shaped our world, and where you can even experience the thrill of flight for yourself. So the next time you're in New York City, set your course for the Intrepid Museum. You won't regret it. And who knows, you might just be inspired to embark on your own journey of exploration. Keep looking up.